I wasn't practicing what I was preaching. Let me explain to you what I mean by that. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I always recommend that you create or you get a data science or data analysis portfolio that kind of showcase your work, the project you've done, your skills, things like that. Guess what? I didn't have a portfolio. At the beginning of the year, I made it one of my top priority to create one for myself. If you had goals at the beginning of the year, I think this is a good chance, a good place to review your goals, see how you're doing. So in reviewing my goals, guess what? I've been able to complete my portfolio. Now I have a data science portfolio. Let me walk you through what that looks like. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Promise AK, and on this channel we talk about data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and everything you need to know about technology. If this is your first time coming across my content, make sure you click on the subscribe button to be part of this community and on the notification bell to be alerted whenever I post any new video. We are halfway through the year, and like many of you, I set some goals at the beginning of the year. One of my major goals was to create a portfolio for myself, a data science portfolio for myself. I've always told others the need or the importance of having a portfolio, but guess what? I wasn't practicing what I was preaching. So I made it my top mission to develop one for myself this year. So I'm thrilled to share that I have successfully developed my own data science portfolio, and I hosted it on GitHub. I'll put a link in the description also. So now let me take you through the portfolio. Watch to the end of the video to know how I created mine. So if you want to create something similar, I'll give an information at the end of this video. On my portfolio, I have two pages, the home page and the project page. On the home page, I have a brief introduction where I highlighted my technical skills, showcase some key projects, and also include my public speaking engagement. So if you click on any of the projects, it takes you can explore more about the project and gives you more information about the project. While the project page is divided into two sections, so we have Python and Power BI. In Python, you'll find machine learning and data analysis project. Each project links directly to my GitHub repository where you can find the notebook or what the data I use for the project, while the Power BI showcases the data analysis project I did using Power BI. This demonstrates my skills in data cleaning, visualization, machine learning, and model evaluation. If you're still working towards your goal, remember it's all about making consistent progress. Setting clear and realistic goals can really help, and I've got a video on my channel that talks about tips for setting and achieving smart goals. So I'll put a link somewhere up there and also in the description so you can go click and watch it out. If you are interested in creating a similar portfolio, I've included a link to a tutorial in the description. It is not my video, I just put it out there, but it is a fantastic guide to get you started on your own journey to create a portfolio that looks like mine. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful. I'll put a link to go through my portfolio also in my description. Let me know if you have questions. If you want to create a portfolio and you're having any challenge, you can comment on this video and I will see how we can walk through to help you create one. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure you like, you share to your friends, and also give me a thumbs up in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.